Grab a coffee and just imagine what it would be like to own this one-of-a-kind monster. Please check out our absolutely beautiful 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 Custom. There was no upgrade left undone, and no matter how we describe it, you need to come see this truck in person. This truck commands road presence with a complete knuckle-style suspension lift kit, including rear coil springs and shock absorbers. This truck also features a ton of black Rhino accessories, including 22-inch Warlord matte gunmetal wheels wrapped in 35-inch Toyo open country all-season tires. You need to see this truck and be blown away by how complete it is. Custom LEDs, full-size matching spare tire, and so much more. With only 8,000 kilometers, you don't want to miss an opportunity to take advantage of an incredible deal. Contact us for your personal showing. We'd love to hear from you.